Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply sign in into your Tubi account on your mobile device? This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, what I want you to do is simply go ahead and make sure that you've downloaded and installed Tubi on your mobile device. Click on this App Store but right over here and simply go ahead and search for Tubi. Once you've done that, this is going to be the application that you want to download and install in order to watch all the movies for free. And now simply go ahead and tap on open. Once you've done that, in order for you to go ahead and sign in, go ahead and click on allow notifications first. And once you've done that, all you need to do is simply go ahead and go into this. So all you need to do is go ahead and click on this sign in button right over here. Go ahead and enter your email, go ahead and enter your password right over here. And once you've done that, you can simply go ahead and click on sign in and you'll be logged in. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.